Welcome back. My name is Leslie Skelly with IDCON. Another question that I'm asked in my role as a consultant is how can we make our planners more efficient? My first answer is originating quality and detailed work orders for the planners. Oftentimes, planners are spending much of their time walking down work orders in the plants to verify, correct, or validate the work order information. This is the role of the OMC and/or operation representative. They ensure work notifications are reviewed and complete any missing information. Also, they confirm that the correct equipment is specified, good problem and symptom descriptions are provided, and the correct priorities assigned, and the work notification originator is designated. Providing planners with detailed quality work orders will free up planners' time so they can spend it on creating detailed planned jobs. Don't forget to like the video and add your comments or share the video. Also be sure to subscribe to IDCON's YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next practical planning tip and other IDCON videos. Thanks for listening.